Hello guys, and welcome to unboxing of Vibram 5 fingers shoes for water sports. Now I ordered this from UK Amazon and it came in about a week time to Perth, Australia. See what we got. Alright. Okay. Now I'm a fan of Vibram 5 fingers shoes. These are my current ones. So probably 4 years old now, maybe 3 to 4 years old. And these are my first Vibrams from about 7 to 8 years old. So I can tell I'm a fan. These are made for water sports. And they are looking pretty good. Now the main difference between the first model, which I've got many years ago, if you look at the sole, these are quite ripped. I would say even much more than the previous model, as you can see here. And of course the difference is there is a fabric in here which is quite soft, and if you step on something it will go through. These ones are not, so basically the same as the old one, except the old one didn't have heaps of tiny holes, as you can see. The strap is probably the same as before, which I have found after years of using, which I have found not that great in water. It catches the weed, etc. So I replaced it with a small button, which of course I've needed to cut the fabric here. So that will probably happen at some stage. Also, if you look at the yellow, it's very rubberish. You can clearly see the holes here. It's very rubberish, and I would say it's pretty soft as opposed to last year model, which didn't have it, but it was really light, and you can probably see through the fabric. It was really light, and the water was well drained. So we'll see what happens with the new model. I like the strap in here. This is why I bought it in the first place, because for hydrofoiling I have found that this go pretty easy off the heel side, so I'm always sort of scared of losing it. Hopefully this strap will work well as it did on my first model a long time ago. What I don't like is the color, but we'll leave it. So there you go. By the feel, I would say similar weight. Yep, pretty much similar. The first model was much heavier. Yeah, so all in all, I love the grip. It's called Mega Grip, and I love the strap, particularly this one. The color I can leave, and everything else we'll see how it goes. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.